This is the force converter calculator, which instantly converts force measurements between 6 different units. The calculator has 2 inputs. First, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled from unit, where you can select from 6 options: newtons, pounds force, kilograms force, dynes, kilonewtons, and ounces force. For this demonstration, I'm selecting newtons. Below that is the force value field, where you enter the numerical value you want to convert. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 10 in the force value field with newtons selected as my from unit. After clicking Calculate Force Conversions, the calculator displays all conversions simultaneously. Our 10 newtons equals 2.24800 nitro-pounds force, which tells us the equivalent force in the imperial system. It also shows 1.0019716 kilograms force, useful when working with weight-based force calculations. For precision measurements, we get 1,000,000 dynes, since 1 newton equals 100,000 dynes. For larger scale applications, it shows 0.01 kilonewtons. Finally, we see 35.9694 ounces force for smaller imperial measurements. This tool eliminates manual conversion errors and saves valuable calculation time. Find the link in the description below.